Singapore Business Federation opens 4th Enterprise Centre in Bengaluru. The Singapore Business Federation, SBF, has unveiled its 4th Singapore Enterprise Centre, SEC, in Bengaluru, marking its first ever centre beyond Southeast Asia. The new hub aims to empower Singapore-based enterprises, especially SMEs, to connect with India's rapidly expanding economy and explore cross-border business collaborations. Located in the heart of India's tech capital, SEC at Bengaluru will serve as a one-stop platform for market entry support, advisory services, and strategic networking, enabling Singapore companies to scale up globally through India's vast opportunities. India, the world's fourth-largest economy with a projected GDP growth of 6.6% in 2025, continues to hold its place as Singapore's top investment destination, being its largest source of FDI for 7 years in a row. With increasing trade interest and strong bilateral momentum, SBF targets to engage over 470 Singapore enterprises through trade missions, industry dialogues, and market access programs over the next 2 years. The Bengaluru launch ceremony was attended by Ms. Gan Sayo Huang, Singapore's Minister of State for Foreign Affairs and Trade and Industry, Ms. Shobha Karandalaje, India's Minister for Labour and Employment and MSME, and Mr. Priyank M. Khadge, Karnataka's Minister for Electronics, IT and Biotechnology, and Rural Development. Notable Singapore companies expanding their presence in India include Universal Success Enterprise, New Kolkata International Development, Transworld, Thakral Group, and MAP Group PT Mitra Adiperkasa. With SEC at Bengaluru, we are creating a launchpad for Singapore businesses to explore India's innovation-driven market, said Mr. Kok Ping Soon, CEO of SBF. This milestone reinforces our commitment to deepening economic partnerships between Singapore and India.
Ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries here, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to on this landmark occasion, the inauguration of the first office of the Singapore Business Federation in Bengaluru. This event is not only underscores SBF's commitment to deeper engagement with India, but also signals a bold new chapter in the business partnership between Singapore and India, and more importantly, Karnataka. For decades, Singapore and India have forged strong ties of trade, investment and innovation. The SBF, as Singapore's apex business chamber representing more than 30,000 companies and key local and foreign chambers, plays a pivotal role in shaping this ecosystem. And by establishing...
I'm Samantha Teo, the Executive Director of Singapore Business Federation for internationalization. As you are all aware, internationalization is not an easy journey. SBF has always been helping Singapore companies looking at growing their business overseas. India is one key market that we are focusing, and we are seeing rapidly number of growth in terms of companies taking an interest in expanding their business here. Our office for SEC at Bengaluru is actually situated in WeWorks at MG Road, to make it convenient for Singapore companies to land and meet with us. The main purpose of the office is really to create a common corridor between Singapore and India, and bringing connections, bringing knowledge, information, and all the know-how in terms of setting up here. Of course, while we set up our office in Bengaluru, our coverage, assistance to Singapore companies is pan-India. We will look for the most optimal state, city, and connections, for Singapore companies to rapidly grow their business here, depending on what the business needs are. So we want to count on the government of India to help us expand, whether is it our coverage, whether is it our connections, and of course with the input of the Singapore Business Federation India Business Committee that has just been set up, chaired by Mr. Prasun Mukherjee of USEL. I'm sure that we will be in a very good state, to provide all the assistance to Singapore companies, as well as assistance to Indian companies looking towards Singapore, and venturing into the ASEAN market, using Singapore as the platform. So thank you very much. I look forward to all your support, and hope that we can find a way to work together in the bigger good between Singapore and India. Thank you.
Your good name?